Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Entry Guide for Ashlawn School. The topics covered in this video are linked in the timestamps within the video description below, so you can jump to a specific section if you would like to. When your child is preparing for the 11 Plus exam, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the red subscribe button. The Exam Coach also offers fun and effective 11 Plus exam preparation workshops throughout the year. Just visit our website for all the information and our latest schedule. Again, the link is in the description below. Established in 1985, Ashlawn School is a free, partially selected day school for boys and girls in Rugby, Warwickshire. The school has a reputation for computing, science, and leadership. In 2016, the school was recognised as one of the best state schools in the country by TAPA magazine based on GCSE and A-level results. The school has a total of 1,804 students with 256 places available for Year 7 entry. On average, there are approximately 1 to 5 applicants per place. The exam style used for Ashlawn School is Warwickshire CEM 11+. The specific areas tested are verbal reasoning, non-verbal reasoning, and numerical reasoning. There are two 50-minute exams. The pass mark is different each year. In 2016, the pass mark was 203 and 198 for the waiting list. The latest information for this year's application process, including key dates, school catchment area, oversubscription policy, and contact information, are available on the Exam Coach website, linked below this video. Effective preparation is vital to doing well in the 11 Plus exam. We would recommend that you start revision and preparation as early as possible. With the help of Exam Coach 11 Plus workshops, you can begin building and consolidating your child's 11 Plus exam skills on a weekly basis. We also provide free practice tests and answers to reflect the types of questions that frequently appear in 11 Plus exams. In addition, your child can expand their vocabulary by tuning in to our daily Vocab Show podcast, available on YouTube, iTunes, Spotify, and Amazon Music. Finally, we recommend you read our 18-point 11 Plus exam preparation guide. Our workshops and resources are used by thousands of 11 Plus students every year. All of these resources can be found on our website, linked below this video. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your 11 Plus application.